Hi guys, hope you're well. Today we are here with quick and easy breakfast recipe which is homemade pancakes. So we just need few ingredients. Let's start with 1 whole egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon vanilla essence. Lightly whisk. And add half teaspoon of salt. Pour in 3/4 cup of milk. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour. One and a half teaspoon baking powder and whisk to a smooth batter. Add 3 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Heat a non-stick pan on a medium heat. Brush it with some oil. And slowly pour the batter. Flip the pancake when you see air pockets. The pancake is looking great and smells delicious. You can always eat the pancakes with different filling of your choice, sweet or savory.